play guitar.
I'm Ollie, I play bass.
I'm Max, I'm the vocals.
And I'm James, and I drum.
And we are BlackWaters.
How did you all first meet and how did BlackWaters come to be?
We all met at uni actually, and we were all into really different stuff. And then we jammed the Kings of Leon song.
Yeah, knew somebody.
Yeah.
And like, yeah, we've got to go from there. But Ollie's not even a bassist. Well, he wasn't. Play guitar like primarily. Kind of brought him around to play bass.
Yeah, because we didn't have anyone. There was no like bassist.
What's not favourite, I think.
Yeah, because like you get like quite a distinct sound from someone who doesn't originally play bass and then moves on to that. Because he plays it like a guitarist, so like no one really. It's quite hard to replicate what he's playing.
Plays like a nutter.
When was it that you all first realised music was something you wanted to pursue? Was there something specific that triggered it?
Guitar Heroes. Generally, I got the game Guitar Hero. I was like, this is pretty decent, and started learning guitar. And ever since then, I was like, screw school, shit. Didn't want to do A levels, went straight to college.
I think we all like realised it before the band.
Oh yeah.
I used to do like musical theatre, and I ended up just hating it and just moving on. I found like Arctic Monkeys, and I got into them before. Like, I was just listening to all that shit.
Chris Brown.
No, it was never Chris Brown. It was never Chris Brown. It was like the script and shit like that. And then I slowly kind of moved.
Everyone starts something. I mean,
The script's got some bangers, mate. Nothing against them.
I was only like in year 9 when I started playing drums. Yeah, I just met my mate and we thought we could start a band. It was we were alright, quite shit. That's how it always starts. We better play drums. That kind of disbanded and I like tried to start a death metal band. Practicing like Tonical Road and that. And then like one day I just got a message from them. And like when I didn't even get a message, that was the point. Like I was up on rehearsal, I was like, alright lads, when we meet up next? And like they just didn't reply.
Got kicked out.
So like I basically got kicked out without a word. And I was like, alright, maybe death metal ain't for me. And then
I think it worked out. To be fair, James, I think it all worked out. Yeah.
I mean, I can't remember the fucking name. Something like a Mephist. You know what I mean? I don't know, Death or something like that. Oh no, they were really into a band called Death.
There was a band.
Yeah, there was a band called Death, and they kept going on. Oh, have you heard of Death, man? Like, do you know Death? I was just like,
No, this doesn't really sound too pleasant.
so moving on.
In my opinion, you're the perfect example of a DIY punk rock band, with every song fitting that description. Talk me through the writing process and where the inspiration came from for your latest single, Let the Good Times Roll.
Sheffield actually, we wrote that up here.
When we lived in Guildford, we kept
Sort of about having a good time, you know, let the good times roll. Yeah, Sheffield was the inspiration for that, yeah.
I think we wanted to just a straight up banger. We wanted to like dry, like it's literally like 2 chords that song. How each song's a bit simple, so you can lose your shit to just
Sort of like a classic rock and roll tune.
yeah.
You know what I mean? Like just something that just said like go to a party, get fucked up. So like no fucking about like not trying to be clever or like trying to write for anything. Just
No little tricks. Literally
just straight up.
throw some chords together.
Let the good times roll.
That's the thing, when we're writing, like, our inspiration can come from anywhere. Like, we can sometimes get in a room and just be dead quiet and like nothing will come out, but then we'll go in again and nothing would have changed because we just reel out like 3 songs.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
we literally did that in a week. Like when it works, wrote 3 songs, went in again, so I didn't really write anything. But it's just understanding. It depends what you see, you count on the day.
Try and be as spontaneous as possible. It's normally when the best things come out. It's quite a cliche.
It's true.
It's true.
And if you missed it, and then
Recently you toured the UK for the This Feeling Live tour alongside Bang Bang Romeo and the Shimmer Band. What was the highlight of the tour for you?
I think the fact that the bands were so different was actually really nice.
Yeah,
Like,
variety.
I think the variety on that tour was really good.
It's really impressed with a lot of the support bands.
Yeah.
A lot. Because there was something we listened to before, and we were like, oh, I'm not sure about this, and then we saw them live, and we were like, I actually quite dig that. You know what I mean, like, support bands were the highlight for me. I'd say I really enjoyed hanging with all them because like by the end you were like Shimmer Band and Bang Bang Romeo got to know and like we knew what they were about, and then like when the new support band came on, it was like quite nice to have someone different every night, like some we knew, some we didn't, so it was good fun.
Playing the electrical and sort of just playing that venue.
We were on super fucking early.
We were on very early.
People were there.
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it? Come down at 6:30 for a gig.
Best dressing room bathroom.
Oh yeah, shout out, electrical room,
Their
dressing
dressing
room.
room, oh, it's amazing.
There are like 4 toilets backstage.
Just because there was like 4 levels, like there's a level for each band. So you got your room and then you got.
It's about the best thing in life, sort of thing.
The best thing about the Alliance is the toilets.
We're intrigued by like toilets, bathrooms, outside appliances, kitchens, yeah. So
we like
thing.
Our rider is a good toilet.
Artsy rider.
Yeah.
If you could buy any instrument from anyone, dead or alive, what would it be and why?
You asked me.
You already thought about this
Yeah,
one.
but like, I'll get Bob Marley's acoustic guitar.
Oh, you've changed it.
I've changed it because originally I said Jarvis Cocker's whatever he has.
And then you said Lou Reed as well.
Lou Reed's guitar.
I really want John Bonham's gong. It's like every gig, like my dad used to show me like videos of John Bonham. James, like as I started drumming, he got really excited. He's like, James, sit down, listen to this 70. It was very good, like kind of killed him a little bit. You know what I mean?
I'd say
that gong. At the beginning of every BlackWaters set.
I'd say Kurt Cobain's Jaguar. Just because there's so many songs that have been written on that. A lot of history. I'd have to give that a go.
Last Saturday you played 2Q Festival in Lincoln where you took to the stage of Red 5, which was the This Feeling stage. Was that your last festival of the year and how did you find it?
Yes. 2Q was our last festival of the year. Yeah, it was very good. Yeah, Sheep fucking killed it. They played right for us. They were fucking wicked. Strange Bones was sick.
That sort of venue just suits us to a T. I mean, that's that sort of venue. We love playing electrical, for example, like big stages, but I think when you bring it back down to like, that's what we started with, so just going back to that.
I think those street festivals and stuff.
Yeah, street
They're always
festivals.
great because like whether you know bands or not, like you always get a fuck load of people in school. It's always good. Like live leads are sick, campus are sick. Just how it goes. Yeah, 2Q was really fun.
There's always an offie close, so like get some cheap booze.
The amount of bands I saw that was just like I've never been to Lincoln before. And like I don't think anyone was from Lincoln. And no band had ever been to Lincoln. And like for some reason there was a festival going on. So we played it.
And you get to see loads of bands for free. As a band, like if you're playing the festival, you get to see it for free. It's great.
So you've had a pretty busy festival season this year. Sum it up in 3 words.
Should have a word each.
Game.
I know,
Serious interview.
We're going to discuss words.
Didn't need wellies. Then what's annoying is that I got wellies for my birthday for that reason. And then like,
It's more than 3 words, mate.
don't need wellies. That's 3.
Didn't fucking need wellies.
Yeah,
why
well,
not first?
That was my birthday hadn't been yet, so I got it after because of that reason.
Why not first? I've never seen so many miserable people in one place.
Oh mate, yeah.
Not in a bad way. Like, I don't blame you. Like, you should have been. Like, I turned up. It was.
Like, you know that barbecues at Gordon Pie, came seriously hard, and then Lincoln. He walked past that tent, like, why not? And heard us play. And just walked in. So like,
Cool. Yeah.
And 3 words though. This is the one that I really fucked up.
Yeah.
What did I say?
I don't know, you were like, I'm not the best at this, I don't know why I'm doing it.
Well, we'll take a word each.
No, Dave's already does it.
no, but I did 3 words
What's
myself.
yours? Don't need wellies.
But apart from why not?
Great good
Brackets.
music. Go.
Right.
I just said that because it was written on the wall.
Yeah, it's written just
And like you couldn't comment on anything, so
Yeah.
you just said that.
lots of alcohol.
Download was fun. Like that.
Yeah, download was fun. Download was sick. That's a good one, man. Nice one.
Cheers.
For those people who haven't seen you live or listened to your music before, what would you say that they can expect from your set should they attend one of your last shows of the year?
Like, it's not. I'm not going to like say one of those things like jumping around, energy, fun, amazement. No, I don't really like that. But like,
Ollie not wearing shoes.
Yeah.
mate, I just think it's like something different every time. You know what I mean? It's just you never.
Depends how the crowd is as well.
Sweat.
Depends how many.
Like we'll come around and like have fun and play our songs, but like you've got to help us out as well.
Yeah.
You can't just stand there and watch us on your phone. Like
Like a potato.
we've had it. Like there was this guy when we played with Strange Bones and Leeds. There was this guy right,
On his phone.
and like he was standing directly at the front in the middle, right, just on his phone.
The whole
And
set.
it's like-
whole set.
It's like fuck off. Like, fuck off. Like if you're gonna stand, if you're not liking it, that's fine. Just go to the back. But just stand. You're not doing it to make a statement. It's like pissing me off. Like, like
It's like he was trying to say your shit.
I mean, if you
Just say your shit instead and then go.
if you move and have a laugh, then it's better. Like, you're gonna stand there, probably be quite shit. He was a terrible person.
You're a dick.
Spectacled man indeed.
Oh, right, yeah, that's. I know, where's this in?
It's all I could look at.
Yeah,
It's actually making me angry.
Take your fucking eyes off him. He looked like a blind Moby.
Which is ironic because he's on his phone.
Yeah.
If you could play anywhere in the world, any venue, festival or country, where would you play and why?
Look, I know James loves it.
In the world. Well, no, if it was just in the UK, I don't mind, but in the world. I actually really want to play in Japan.
Yeah, I want to play.
It's like, I've heard, like, I can't remember who we were talking about. I think we were on the tour with Mum and Zet, sorry, we were talking to them. And they were like, oh, you go to Japan. And then, like, they're all really polite. It's like, you play it, and I'm like, crazy, right? And then stop, and I went, just stand there like that and just wait for us to say the next song. Then we'll just go fucking crazy again. Like,
I wish I did Dead Rolls. It's exactly the same thing.
Strange, isn't it?
You can hear a pin drop.
Yeah.
They're all waiting so far.
I really want to like experience that kind of crowd. I think it'd be really fun.
I want to go back to Razzmatazz in Barcelona.
Yeah, that's weird.
Although we've been there already,
Yeah.
but it's fucking
Somewhere in New York, because I just love New York. I really want to do it. I'll say I love it, I've never been, but I want to go see it. I really want to play somewhere there.
so
I don't know, who hates it? I want to play it. I can't wait.
So we're nearing the end of 2017. What would you say has been your highlight of the year?
highlight of the year. Toilet list, yeah.
I'll just be different.
I don't know. I think
Mum and Zet's tour was for them, I think, because that was really, like,
I really enjoyed it.
it was the same as like any show you do, there was a lot of people, but I think because they were so nice.
this
They
year,
taught us a lot. Like,
this year's been very like go, go, go. Do you know what I mean? Like, we haven't
Done a
really
lot of
stopped
shows.
this year. But I'm happy with like all the songs we released and everything like that has been like a massive highlight. I think.
Download as well, download, and then Spain. Over abroad.
I think Spain was my highlight.
Yeah.
Spain,
I think Spain was
having like loads of drunk Spanish people trying to fuck yeah, it's just like,
It was packed, man. It was
It
really
was
good.
round, they're all pissed, it was like 4 and 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
It was so good.
I felt horrific the next day.
And it was the first time I've ever played, and I fucking loved it.
Yeah, Spain was my highlight.
Yeah, Spain's great.
Dave got off his nut.
We all did.
Just saying.
We all got off on that Spain.
Yeah, Spain was great.
Individually, what's your favourite song of your own?
It's like to play or to listen to.
Yeah, it's like
Like,
two things.
The first we'll say to play.
Play, well, it's an unreleased track. Magic. That's my favourite thing.
One's still so far. I really enjoy that. Big one. Yeah.
I like People Street because it's like a massive change up in the sound.
Unreleased.
That's also
Unreleased, yeah.
My favourite to listen to this hour is probably
that's out.
Let the Guitars Roll to listen to.
To listen.
Also far out, just because like we had a fucking blast recording that, and I think you can hear on it that we had a really good time.
I think the production so far is probably my favourite.
Yeah.
Spike Stem.
Spice Dead. Killed that track. Well, I think one to listen to. I really like Help Me on People Street. Unreleased one.
Also go with Good Time Roll. Good change.
James, what's your favourite to listen to this release?
Release music, James.
Probably actually so far out as well. Yeah. I was going to say that. Yeah.
Just to clarify, I'm David, that's Max, that's James. Because at the start, we kind
I
of...
thought I was David.
Yeah.
No, I'm Ollie, mate.
Yeah.
I'm Ollie and James. At the same time.
He's a split personality kind of guy.
I'm Gertrude.
She gets sidetracked.
You're a conjoined twin. That separate when you play. comes out to me.
Alright.
You've got Rudy from
Alright,
this.
mate. Alright, mate.
What is the biggest dream for BlackWaters?
Being able to sustain ourselves financially through the band.
Yeah.
Sounds bland as fuck, but like, generally
I'm really excited for like our first headline tour. Like,
Yeah.
we did a co-headline with Strangements and like our own tour that people might or maybe want to come to. That would be cool. I think reasonably short term. That's mine. Long term. That's the dream.
fuck it, let's just go all out.
Yeah.
It's all about.
They said it.
Reasonably, yeah, it's just to like, I think, make enough money so they can just live comfortably through the band.
Well, we could just afford just fucking pints.
Yeah, like, just get.
I want another one, man.
I drink pints and like I see it as money. See like I'm drinking money.
Quite the way down there, mate.
Okay.
Maybe I could return it.
Get your money back.
Get like 60 feet back. I'm only joking. Half of it.
Throughout the rest of 2017 and the beginning of 2018, what else can we expect from BlackWaters? Other than like the shows that you're playing?
Got an EP coming in March time, kind of like March.
I think this year, till the end of this year, we said it to everyone, like we kind of just nothing down, focus on writing. Wrote some new songs, which we think are pretty fucking good, and we'll write some more. We've got a gig in Blackpool, 7th, gig at Carpenter and 23rd of November, and apart from that we don't have anything else planned, but that's because we're trying to release some music for next year. Once that shit comes out then we'll get on it.
We haven't had like I said, it's been like very like go, like all this shit. So like it's good to get
The last like 2 years,
some time off.
Yeah,
we haven't really ever stopped. This is like the first time we've really like
Feels good.
sat down and only focused on writing and just living.
learn enough money.
It's a struggle. Tons of hard. I saw Max smoking Pall Mall.
Didn't happen.
Tons of hard.
Did not happen.
That's everything.
That's everything. Thanks, Sophie.